Okay, so today, which is tata. Tata means today. So we're going to do verb. And verb is called ngwa oku. It's a verb structure. So Igbo verb is, in Igbo, you call verb ngwa oku. Okay? Ngwa oku, you use it to conjugate. All right. So verbs are words used to show action. You guys know that. You use it to show action. All right? So pay attention. We're going, for example, we have the dependent non-vowel harmony, and we have verbs that has something that depicts the action, which is the infinitive refers to the most verb version, which is to. When you say to, which is infinitive, that's infinitive. Okay, so you use this infinitive to join the word. But let's just give one example. That's going to help you. So when you say to see something, okay? To see means eho means to see. So when you say to see, I put it the other side. You say eho. That's what it is. To see is eho, to see something. To see something, then you say eho ihe. Eho ihe. Something means ihe. Then to see means eho, which is eho or eho. So when you break it into two, now look at here. I want to make sure it's big enough. Look on the second column here. So where it says Igbo infinitive verb, make sure you're looking, you're watching the screen. So the word over there, the meaning of it in Igbo, so it's here in English. Now, here in Igbo. So to see means eho. Okay. Now, when you say eho, you separate, get the I separate. Then plus HU. This is exactly what we're talking about. Then the action. So I try to break it in pieces for you. The action verb, which is on the third column here. Okay. The action verb root is HU, which is who. But then the infinitive one is a, which is the I. So to see is eho. That's to. See, eho. That means to see. Now, if you want to say, I saw something. Ahurum ihe. So let's start making just little sentences. Ahurum ihe. Okay, I saw something. Ahurum ihe. Okay, now if we're trying, let me put it here because I want you to see what I'm saying. Eho, eho. So we just try to break it for you to see very well what we are doing. So it's like I plus HU. Okay, eho, to see. Now, when you say, I saw something, I'm trying to see, maybe we do it down here, because I want you to understand what we're saying. I saw, okay, say, I saw you. I see you. Okay, I saw you when you were passing, okay? So now when you say, I see, okay, I see something, I saw something. Ahurum, the I is referring to you. Now I see, to see something, ehu ihe. Something means ihe. Now, I just want you to know the verb. Just know the verb. We're going to start making sentences with them. Now, so if you say, to watch, esa. To watch is esa. See it here. To see, to watch means esa. Okay, to watch, esa. I didn't say to watch television, but to wash your hands, to watch plate, okay, to wash the floor means esa. Okay, so now if you want to say, I see you. I see you. Okay, it means ahorong. Remember, is referring to you. I see you. So you say, is referring to you. The A standing alone. Ahoro. Ahorom ge. Ahorom ge. Ahorom ge. See that? Ahorom ge. I see you. Ahorom ge. Is you saying that I. Horo. Okay, you saw that person. You see how you conjugated it? See, the HU now, when you're trying to conjugate it, then you put RU. Ahoromge. Ahoromge. See that? Now, when you say to watch, esa. Esa. See that? I plus SA. That's what it is. Esa. But together is esa. I broke it down. Just don't get confused. When I try to break it down, for you to know which one is to, which one is the verb root. That's what we're trying to do now. So right now, I just removed the sentence because I want you to understand what we are doing first. We're not trying to make sentence, but we're trying to show you all the verbs, some of the verbs, not all of them. You should be able to know the rest of them. So we do a lot of them today, and then it's going to help you. So when you say to sweep is eza. When I say Chiamaka, Gaza Olo. Gaza Olo means go sweep the floor. Now, esa is to wash. Eza is to sweep. To see. Eho. To see. Eho. Okay? Don't forget it. Just know the keywords now. Because it's going to help you to form your words when you're trying to conjugate it with the vowel and the pronouns and trying to harmonize everything. Okay. To sweep, eza. To come, ebia. Ebia means to come. Ebia, everything with to. The I represent that to. Ebia, easy. Okay. Now, to
Auntie,
yes.
Sorry to interrupt. I don't think we can see the screen that you're seeing.
Oh, you can't see the screen?
I don't think so.
Same problem to me. I have the same problem.
Okay. Well. Let me see. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dozier.
Yes, thank you.
Nobody told me. All right. Thank you, guys. Okay, I'm going to start all over again since you didn't see it. Now, you can see the screen now. So we are doing the verb. And now when you say to see, and if you look here to see, say eho. Now, I broke it like trying to break it apart. You see that is the infinitive, which is to. Then plus HU, which is ho. That HU, ho, is action verb root. So to see, okay, guess eho is always with I, to see something. When something means in here, when you say to see something, it means eho in here. But if I don't say something in it, it's just eho. So we are doing just verb right now. To see means eho. To watch, which is to wash your hand, wash the plate, wash the clothes, not to watch TV or to watch football or basketball or soccer. All right, so this is to watch. All right, esa, esa. So don't worry about what I put in bracket, okay? What is in the bracket is just for you to see how we bring out the infinitive and then the action root. So action verb root, but it's just one word. All right. Now, when you say to sweep, go sweep the floor. Gaza, Ola. Eza. Eza means to sweep. To come. Ebia. Ebia. Now, to eat. Eat, okay. To eat is iri. Iri, okay. Now, I'm going to put to cook there. Also, to cook. Who will tell me how to say to cook? Raise your hand. You know to eat is iri. To do something, to do is ime. Now, let me see. Somebody's raising hand. Okay, let me see. Who is that? Who will tell us how to say to cook? Okay. Olisa, to cook. Let me see. I think I muted everybody. Okay, Olisa, get to cook. Unmute yourself. Olisa, one. Olisa, mute yourself. Okay, well. I think I muted you guys again. Olisa, I'm going to mute yourself.
To cook bu isi nri.
Isi nri. Yes, no. Now, Olisa is only isi. I didn't put food there, okay? If I say to cook food, gisi, isi nri. But if I say to cook, it's simply isi. Okay, Olisa?
Okay.
Okay, so to cook is isi. See that? Isi. But if we say like Olisa answered, okay, whoa. Yeah, to cook food. If I added food there, it would be isi nri. You see that? So, but we're just doing purely just verb today. So, isi is to cook. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
Now, how do you say thank you, Olisa? Gene will thank you. Gene will thank you, Olisa. Okay, let me unmute everybody because I want you to be answering. So, Olisa, Gene will thank you.
Daru.
There you go. All right, so if I say to do, I have something to do. Ime. So to do is ime. To do something, ime ihe. I have something to do. Enwere m ihe m ga-eme. Enwere m ihe m na-eme. Maọbụ m ga-eme. Okay. So, but let's just go ahead and go down to do all this verb. To write. To write is ide. Ide. Dee ihe means write something. Dee ihe. We're going to start making sentences, but today, I just want you to know the key words today. All these verbs, okay? To cook, isi. To write, ide. To press, like to press something. So you can say, ide aqua. To press, or maybe ide, so ibido, okay? Ibido. But let's just use to write, okay? You can say to press. Go press or go iron my clothes, but let's just use to write first. That way you don't get confused. Ide. Ide akwụkwọ. Just to write, okay? To cook, isi, okay? This word, because I just want somebody ask this question, and I feel like I need to put it here for everybody to know what it is. Surprise. When you say surprise, Ịgbagwoju anya. Surprise, you surprise me. Ịgbagwojuru m anya. Ịgbagwoju anya. So I broke it in syllables. Ịgbagwoju anya. Something that surprised me, okay? Ọgbagwojuru m anya is so sophisticated. So it can also be something like something that is sophisticated, okay? It's not just only surprise. You surprised me. I never expected it, okay? So ịgbagwoju anya. Hard. Isi ike. Okay? To be hard is, you see, to be hard. Isi ike, maọbụ ịra ahụ. Okay, this is ite. I switched this one, I don't know what. So it's going to go to the other side. This is, to rub or to apply, ite. So this is another word that somebody asked. So I try to put it on the note. Mpese. Mpese means sticks. Mpese means stick. Okay. Mpese is stick. Mpese aka. Okay. Fingers. But when you say mpese, like a stick, that's what it is. Wata mpese, get a stick. So it can be mpese. It can be just one or plural. All right. So to rub. So when I say te ude, it means rub lotion. Te mano, te ude, mabu te mano na ahoge. It means rub lotion on your body. Te ude naka, rub lotion on your fingers, okay? Rub. To ite. Okay, ite ude, to rub lotion. Okay, to apply lotion. Igwa, okay, wow. This one's supposed to go this way. Okay, this one can mean 3 things. So I missed up to 3 things. Igwe. We have Igwe. People are just coming to class this time. They're very, very late. Okay. So when you say group, Igwe mado, group of people. When you say group of people, it means Igwe mado. Group, Igwe mado. Okay. Igwe mado. So I think I'm going to separate it. Igwe mado means group of people. So I'm going to separate these ones. Group of people, okay? Igwe mado. See that? Igwe mado. Now, when you say something like, when you say iron, okay, or rod, when you say iron or rod, it means something Igwe. It also means Igwe. I want you to know that, but the sound is different. It's not the same. Group means Igwe. Group of people, Igwe mado. I want you to pay attention because this is not the same at all. When you say group of people, Igwe mado. When you say iron, it means Igwe. Iron means Igwe. Iron means rod, like rod or iron. So let me remove heaven. Heaven also means Igwe. So I need you to pay attention to the sound. Because if you don't pay attention to the sound, you think that they mean the same. No, they don't mean the same thing. So we're gonna get this one down here. So when you see something like group, it's called Igwe. Okay? Igwe mad, group of people. Igwe mad. So this means, I'm going to put all of them there because I want you to know what it is. So we're going to remove group of people down. Because if I don't separate it, you're not going to get it. Okay. Come on. Okay, so when we say group, it means Igwe. Okay, Igwe. We say iron. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. It means Igwe. Okay, the pronunciation matters. And then when I say iron or rod, when you say iron or rod, okay, you can say, let me just leave iron there for now. You know what I'm talking about. I say Igwe. It means also, but the sound is what's going to differentiate them. Heaven, Igwe. All right. So now we say here group of people. And it means, we're going to put it here. Okay. Igwe mmadụ, which is group of people. And then when you say here, iron, okay, pick up the iron, pick up the rod up. The iron is heavy, okay? Some people say iron rod, the rod or the iron rod, it just is heavy. Heavy means edaro, okay? Okay, so it means this one is called, the iron rod, the iron is heavy, okay? Igwe, igwe ahụ, okay? Igwe a dara arụ, dara arụ. Arụ is something heavy. All the arụ is heavy. Igwe a dara arụ or igwe a dị arụ. Can also say igwe a dị arụ. So these are two ways, something heavy. All the arụ. When I say, oh, ihe dị m n'uche, bute igwe ahụ. Bute igwe means bring the iron. Ihe dị m n'uche, we say, it is heavy, the iron is heavy. And they say, igwe dara arụ or all the arụ means it's too heavy for him to carry. Now, when you say heaven, now you're gonna say, God is in heaven. God is in heaven. Now, we say, Chukwu means God. Chukwu is God. Then we're going to say, Chukwu nọ n'igwe, okay? Chukwu bi n'igwe. Chukwu nọ na igwe. Igwe. So you see what I said? So we have three things here. These three words, the same spelling, but they're not the same pronunciation and they're not the same meaning. You need to pay attention to that. They have the same spelling, but they don't have the same pronunciation and they don't mean the same. All right? So they are all the same spelling. But now pay attention to the group. Igwe. Group. Igwe. Iron. Igwe. Igwe. Heaven. Igwe. See the difference? So I'm going to see who is going to be able to tell me the difference. Who will be able to pronounce all three of them. Pay attention again. Group. Igwe. Igwe. It's low, low. Iron. Igwe. Igwe. Heaven. Igwe. Heaven. Igwe. Okay, so let me see who's going to try All right. I see two people raising hand. If you know you're not right, okay. If you know you didn't raise your hand for this question, get your hand down because I'm gonna ask question. Okay, Chinua. Chinua, omit yourself and pronounce the 3 words. Chinua, unmute yourself.
So what I noticed, the words, it has like different pitch, like group
Chinua,
is like
Chinua, what's your question?
Like equal, but
Chinua, now listen. Keep your question. You're going to ask question when I give you a chance to ask question. I need people. I need someone who can pronounce the 3 words correctly. Okay. You know, they are the same spelling, but they're not the same pronunciation. They don't have the same meaning. Okay, let me see. Shika, I see your hand up. Do you want to answer the question?
Yeah. Wait, question?
You know the 3 words? You know how to pronounce them?
Yeah. Yes.
Try.
Iwe. Igwe.
Okay, Chika, which one is group?
Iwe.
No.
Igwe.
No. Igwe is heaven. So which one is iron?
Igwe.
No. You tried though, you tried. Okay, let me ask another person. Kamziobi. Ngwa.
Okay, so group bu igwe. Heaven bu
Well, group bu gene.
Igwe.
But igwe is iron. So what is heaven?
Igwe.
Igwe. Igwe. Geno group.
Igwe.
You keep saying the same heaven. But you tried though. Let me see another person who will try. Shinwa akage kanoneche adure. Okay, adure nage. Ihe dim n'uche ngwa.
Group bụ igwe.
Aza group bụ gịnị?
Igwe.
No.
No, igwe.
No, you're saying iron. Igwe is iron.
Igwe.
What is heaven?
Igwe.
Yes. What is group?
Igwe.
No, you got to. Okay, let's see another person to try. Let's see who else wanna try. Okay, Chinua, your hand is still up. Chinua.
Wait, what's the question again?
Come on, Chinua. Chinua, can you pronounce what is group? What is group called, Chinua?
Group is called. Wait, group in Igbo?
Group bo.
Igwe.
Chinua.
What does that mean again?
Chinua, group means Igwe. Okay.
Igwe.
Igwe. Okay, Chinua, now pay attention. Listen, somebody's gonna tell us how to pronounce it. Okay, Chielo. Chielo, ngwa, unmute yourself.
Group bu igwe.
No, group bu igwe.
Group bu igwe.
Okay, gene bu iron.
Igwe.
Igwe, dalo, gene bu heaven.
Igwe.
No. Heaven bu igwe. You tried it though, dalo. Wonderful. Okay, guys, this is a drill. If you get all 3 of them, but next time, honestly, you get a trophy. I won't tell you what it's gonna be, but you get a gift. But let's see who's gonna be able to. I have another word that I'm going to add there. Remember, some of you, I think, if you are in the intermediate class, we have 4 words, okay? They've been different. Aqua, 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 aqua. Okay, now let me go ahead and put it here. So this will be your homework, and you're going to be able to tell me how to say it. And we have Hana Bokun Tabire in a fast speaking way. So this will be your homework. You need to know how to say this. Group Igwe. Okay. Iron Igwe. Heaven Igwe. Again, group Igwe. Iron Igwe. Heaven Igwe. Now we have another one. We have aqua, which is clothed. Aqua, which is egg. Aqua, which is bed. Aqua, which is crying. Crying. All right? So, if you want to be... Okay, well, no noise.
You're not even serious. Bro, I want the prize. I'll split the prize if I win. No, you won't. Yes, I will. I promise. I promise.
Okay, sorry, I muted them. All right, so if you want to be the winner, please go over this. I'm going to say the words, and I want to see who is going to be able to get it next class. By the way, we're not going to have class next week because we're performing in Philadelphia. So I'm going with the dance troupe to Philadelphia. We're performing there at the event. So if you live in Philadelphia, hopefully you will see us there. So there will be no class next week. I will also post a note because we won't be in town, okay? All right. So you have 2 weeks and I will send you guys a homework. So see how this one goes. I'm trying to see if I can put it in the middle. Okay, so this is it. The group is Igwe, Iron, Igwe, Heaven, Igwe. Now we have another one. Aqua, clothes. Okay. Aqua, egg. Aqua, bed. Aqua, crying. See if you get it. And there's another one, the drill I'm going to put there. Once you're able to pronounce it, which is Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Okay? Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa, ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Okay, so we leave it there. But see if you can get this. Aqua, 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 aqua. Somebody wanna try this for the 4 words? Let's see who wanna try. Somebody wanna try? Okay, Chimde, ngwa.
Aqua.
Huh? What is the first one?
Aqua.
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 Yeah, the second one?
Aqua.
Aqua. You know what is egg, nah? Aqua.
Aqua.
Yeah? The third one?
Aqua.
No, aqua.
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 No, aqua.
Aqua.
Chimde, can you say aqua?
Aqua.
Yes. Now the fourth one.
Aqua.
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 Yeah. So that's what it is. Ebuka, I want you to try. Ebuka, I want you to try. Unmute yourself. Please, I don't want anybody talking now. I unmuted you guys because I want to start asking questions. Ebuka, unmute yourself. The cloth. What is cloth?
Aqua.
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 The egg. All of you are supposed to know what it says because mom or dad always say, "Go with aqua." You see that? So, Ebuka, the first one again, clothes is again.
Aqua.
No, aqua means crying. You said the last one.
Clothes. You said.
Clothes is what?
Aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Then egg.
Aqua.
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 Okay, third one, bed.
Aqua.
Aqua.
So is it down, down?
Yeah, it's down, low, low. It's
low, low.
Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Then the first one, clothes, is aqua. It's high, high. Aqua. Then the second one, egg, is aqua. It's mid. It's just mid, okay?
Mid.
Aqua.
Aqua.
Now the bed is aqua. It's very low, very
aqua.
Deep.
Okay.
Aqua.
Mm-hmm.
Then the third one, which is crying, aqua, high, very, very high.
Aqua. Aqua.
No, aqua.
Aqua.
Yes, you got it. Yeah, that's what it is. Dozia, ichare bale. Dozia kaneba. Dozia no again. Let me see. Chibusama in Eba. Everybody's hiding. They don't want to try. Okay, that's fine. Now, this is what you need to do. Make sure you know all these words. We have more verbs, okay? To see, eho. To watch, esa. To sweep, eza. To come, ebia. To eat, iri. To do, ime. To cook, isi. To write, ide. Okay? To sell, ire. To sell something, ire. Okay? To cook, isi. I put it twice. Okay, to cook food. I'm gonna say to cook food here. Isi nri. Irahi. Okay, we're gonna say, did I put irahi? Okay, to sleep. I'm going to put to sleep here. Irahi, ora. To sleep means erahe. Some people say eraho. It means the sentence. Era. Erahe. Or you can say eraho. Okay. To sleep. Erahe. Ora. Eraho. Ora. Ora means sleep. Eraho. Ora. To sleep. Okay. To dance. Eba. Egu. We're going to put that one too. To dance. Eba. Egu. Eba. Egu. Now, to sing. Ego. Egu. To sing. Ego. Egu. Okay. To play, Igbo. To play, Igbo, Egu. You see, Egu, 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 and all of them. To dance, Eba, Egu. To sing, Ego, Egu. They all have something to do with music. To play, Igbo, Egu, okay? Igbo, Egu. All right. So now, when I post it, I'm expecting you to practice. Some of you are not even making any effort. Coming to Igbo class will require you to practice at home. Use those words. Practice with your friends. Practice. You can practice with me. You can test me. Hey, auntie, is this how to say this? Hey, auntie, I want to know how to say this in Igbo. Few of you are bugging me, and that's serious. But most of you are not getting back to me. If you don't have anybody to interact with, I am here. I want you to interact with me, because if you register into this class and 6 months, 1 year, you still don't know the basic to move on to move up to intermediate class, then you're not doing what you're supposed to do. It's just like the same thing going to school. If you want to make A's, you're going to study hard. If you want to make C, if you want to be a C student, you don't study much. You don't study. You don't even try to read ahead. But if you want to be straight A student, you know you got to put your time into it. So coming to Igbo class is not automatic that you're going to know how to speak Igbo if you don't use the words. If you come to this class and we did all this today, and then tomorrow I ask you what is to do, what is to cook, and you start looking at me like this, which means you didn't practice it. You won't be able to learn it. So I need you, this class is free. It is free. You just register into the school with $30. It is free. The weekly classes are free. I want you to take advantage of it. The private lessons, they pay monthly. I have private classes, they pay monthly. So I need you to please put your time into learning this. It is the same thing that I'm teaching the private ones, because they don't have to, maybe their schedule is not allowing them to do this. But you're going to learn a lot. If you will practice what we did today, even if you didn't learn everything, if you didn't get all of them, at least make sure you learn about 10 words here today, or maybe 5 words. Don't just go home, hey, that's it. Now I'm gonna go and play game. I'm going to go and, no, you have to learn to use it. Speak Igbo to your parents. Speak Igbo to your friends. Speak it to me. Okay, if your parents are speaking Igbo in English in the house, Mama, Papa, Swaram Igbo. Swaram Igbo, because you want to learn. I don't know how many of you that watched the video I posted to the forum. Watch that video. That boy is not more than 8 years old. He was feeding his grandma. He was speaking Igbo fluently. And I want you guys to, own it, try to do something, learn it, and then use it, speak it. Okay, even if your mom, daddy, they're laughing, yeah, laugh with them. That's how you learn. When I was learning German language and I play with it, they will laugh at me, but at least I want to speak it. I don't care whether people are laughing, but I want to learn it. Just play with it. Play with it, whether you're saying it the right way or not. Before you know it, you see yourself picking up. The more you use the word, the better you get every day. Don't just say, oh, okay, I don't know how to say it. No, not to me. You can talk to me. You can record your voice and send to me. And then I look at that. So if you don't get it, I will correct you. I will say it the way you're supposed to say it. And then you practice with it. But you guys don't get back to me, except very few of you. So please, I'm begging you guys, if we spend 1 hour in this class, I want to make sure that it's fruitful, that you guys are really putting your time, you are serious, you want to learn that Igbo. Then I'm going to be happy teaching it, knowing that you guys are really trying. Okay, so that's it. Do you have any question? Now it's time for you to ask questions. I'll give you 5 more minutes to ask questions. If in nwere ajụjụ, o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ. And remember how we do it, though. You have to say your name. Enwere m ajụjụ. Okay, kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Let me see. 1 second. There is 12 to 2. Okay, I'm looking at who is this person? Okay, Zara. Zara Ngwaju Ajojo. Unmute yourself and ask questions. Zara gene ba Ajojo ge. Zara neba. Okay. Zara is not there. Let me see the next person. You can unmute yourself because I allowed you guys to. Okay, go ahead, Zara.
Zara. On the verb surprise, too hard, and to cook.
It's a what?
There's multiple words for surprise. It's Igba, Gubo, and Ju.
It's not multiple words. It's just that I broke it down into syllables to help you pronounce it. Once you get it, Eba Goju Anya. Okay, Eba. It's supposed to be, it's one word, but just in syllables to help you and share the words, okay?
Yes.
Once you know how to pronounce it, then you join it together.
Okay, and on to do, for the action verb, it has a dash between the two words. Like,
yeah, just to let you know which one is to. The one that A is to, which is the infinitive. Then the action verb is do, okay, which is ime. You see that? Me. So ime is supposed to be one word, but I tried to tell you which one is infinitive, which one is the action, okay? So don't worry about that, but the to do means ime. That's all I want you to know.
Dalu.
Email and dewo. Kedu onye ọzọ nwelu ajụjụ? Wụralụ ocheta odera ngwa. Kedu ngwa jụ ajụjụ gị?
So I want to try with the aqua, the 4 aquas.
You want to do that? Ngwa, go ahead.
Yeah. So I remember this poem that my dad would tell me. Why na aqua? Ina aqua no kukuli aqua. Neno aqua aqua di neno aqua.
There you go. That's what I said. Yeah. It was there. So I gave it to the intermediate class last time, but Dara, Ralo, you have to say it fast. Why na aqua no kuku ira aqua nelo aqua na aqua nelo aqua. Can you say that?
Why not talking? I like one.
You have to say it correctly. You have to pronounce it clearly. Why na kwakwe na kwakwa no kuko yira kwa nelo akwa na kwakwa no nelo akwa. Go ahead.
Why not kwakwe na kwakwa no kuko akwa neno akwa akwa di neno akwa.
Okay, good. But try to practice it and then because I want you to say it very, 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 very clearly. Okay. But now tell me which one is aqua. No. Just the words now. Forget about that drill.
Oh, okay.
Now, tell me which one is clothed.
Clothed?
Come on. Aqua. Which one is clothed?
Aqua.
No, aqua is egg.
So, aqua is...
Clothed is aqua.
Aqua.
Which one is bed? Which one is better? Come on.
Aqua. And aqua.
No, come on, just the word.
Aqua.
Bird is aqua.
Aqua.
Which one is crying?
Crying?
Aqua.
Aqua.
Yeah, that's good. That's how you say. So I want you to know the words. know how to pronounce them because they are the same spelling, okay? So make sure you know it. Okay. And when you're doing with it, Jojo. Okay, one more person and that will be it. Adure. Adure, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ. Adure, ahụrụ m aka gị n'elu. Ị nwere ajụjụ, Adure? Okay, Adure anọrọ ebe a. Okay, everyone, I will post this. Make sure you practice it. Make sure, okay? So, I want to hear everybody telling me, see you next time. How do you say that? Ngwakodino.
Claudio.
Agure.